Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Deco Gear Curved 49-inch Super Ultrawide Gaming Monitor, a massive 32:9 display that effectively replaces a dual monitor setup with one seamless, curved screen. If you want immersive gaming and serious productivity without breaking the bank, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features a 49-inch VA panel with 3840 by 1080 WDFHD resolution and 1800R curvature. Refresh rate is 144 Hz with adaptive sync and 3 milliseconds MPRT response time, delivering smooth, tear-free gameplay. Color performance covers 99% sRGB with HDR 403000:1 static contrast for vibrant visuals and deep blacks. Connectivity is versatile with 2x HDMI 2.1, 2x DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C with 65W power delivery for laptop charging, plus USB hub and RJ45 Ethernet. The built-in KVM switch lets you control multiple devices with one keyboard and mouse, while PIP/PBP mode allows viewing two sources simultaneously. The ergonomic stand offers height adjustment, tilt, and swivel with VESA 100 by 100 mm mount compatibility. It includes a handy remote for easy settings navigation. Note that built-in speakers are not included. Real-world users praise its excellent value, vivid colors, and perfect multitasking capabilities. The USB-C 65W charging simplifies laptop connectivity, and the 144 Hz refresh rate keeps gameplay fluid. Some users note the curve feels less pronounced than expected and the stand could be more robust. Sold by Deco Brands USA, a US-based company, with reliable customer support and warranty. If you want an affordable super ultra-wide monitor with impressive features for both gaming and work, the Deco Gear 49-inch delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.